Devices. I mean, FDA has said you shall, so we shall.
And so they did. TranS1 is an FDA-regulated manufacturer. They make the AxiaLift surgical kit, used in a unique, non-invasive treatment of lower back pain. The rapid growth of the company required an integrated manufacturing software system. The two essentials of that system that topped a long list of requirements were lot trace and FDA validation. Cheryl Wagoner is a veteran of FDA validation. She can separate those who use industry jargon from those that can implement quality procedures.
We had a number who were throwing some buzzwords around who really didn't know what it was. So they got off the list pretty quick.
TranS1 quickly narrowed the list of true medical device manufacturing system players to 2. Now the criteria were finding the software provider with the right combination of expertise in TranS1's environment and the ability to deliver the implementation and FDA validation in parallel.
And the commitment that we saw from soft brands to make the implementation work, but also acknowledging the importance of validation compared to what we saw with Epicor, night and day difference.
The FDA validation procedure is painstaking and tedious. It drains a company of people, resources, and money, and is often left incomplete. This was not an option for TranS1. But TranS1 had a fixed budget for this project, which included implementation and FDA validation. Their concerns were eliminated when the Soft Brands team detailed its unique validation service designed to dramatically reduce the customer's investment of time, money, and resources. Like TranS1, Soft Brands has created a better way. The Soft Brands validation team executes the protocols, freeing the customer's team to focus on their normal routine. Because of this unique service, TranS1 was able to achieve validation in just a few weeks without disrupting their software implementation and with minimal staff time required. How little time was required?
Instead of weeks and weeks of dedicated time, I maybe spent overall maybe 20 hours of review time, and for me it was a really positive experience. It was pretty seamless. There was very few hiccups and they were worked out pretty immediately.
For TranS1, validation ranks in importance with lot trace, another area where fourth shift edition for SAP Business One shines.
And lot trace, it's everything in medical devices.
The fit between medical device manufacturer TranS1 and Soft Brands was perfect. Once implemented, TranS1's manufacturing system was as state-of-the-art as their cutting-edge surgical equipment.
FDA has said you shall, so we shall.
For more on Fourth Shift Edition for SAP Business One, visit fourthshiftedition.com.